Price never moves randomly. Every candle you see on the chart is the result of an engineered plan. Today, I'm going to share one single setup that once you understand it can literally guide you for life. This is not about chasing 10 different patterns or indicators. It's about mastering one repeatable process that the algorithm in the market uses every single day. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by all the ICT concepts or struggled to stay consistent, this video is for you. We're breaking down a model that combines time, liquidity, and precision entries into one crystal clear framework. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when to look for the move, where to enter, and how to manage risk. No guessing, no clutter. Before we dive in, a quick reminder, I'm sharing educational content only. Nothing in this video is financial advice. Trading carries risk, and you should never risk money you can't afford to lose. If this kind of deep dive trading education helps you, make sure to subscribe. It truly means a lot to me, and it helps us build the best trading family on YouTube. Now let's get into the setup. The goal is simple: find a single repeatable model that works in all market conditions. The core of this setup is built around a macro time window, a stop hunt to capture liquidity, and 2 layers of confirmation before entry. Rather than reacting to every random candle, you wait patiently for the market to engineer liquidity, show its hand, and then give you a precise entry with defined risk. Understanding the macro time windows, markets move in rhythms. Institutions create engineered moves inside very specific time windows, which ICT calls macros. These windows are when volume, liquidity, and algorithmic moves align. They represent the periods when algorithmic stop hunts and institutional rebalancing are most likely to occur. For the New York session, here are some of the most powerful macros you'll use for this setup. Morning AM macros: New York time, 7:50, 8:10 a.m., 8:50, 9:10 a.m., 9:50, 10:10 a.m., 10:50, 11:10 a.m., 11:50, 12:10 p.m., afternoon p.m. Macros: New York time, 1:20, 140 p.m., 2:50, 3:10 p.m., 3:15, 3:45 p.m., 3:50, 4:10 p.m. These are not random numbers. Your job is to focus only on these windows. Outside of them, the probability of clean setups drops dramatically. The stop hunt: the first step of the setup is the stop hunt. The market will push price above a previous high or below a previous low to trigger stop losses and grab liquidity. Think of it as the market collecting fuel before making the real move. Retail traders often mistake this as a breakout and jump in the wrong direction. We wait. We let the algorithm take out external liquidity, and only then do we prepare for the true entry. Entry confirmation 1, the inversion. After the stop hunt, we look for the first confirmation called inversion. This occurs when price closes back below a key level after running the highs or back above after running the lows. On your chart, watch for a candle that closes below the inversion fair value gap low. If you are looking to sell, your first possible entry comes on the very next candle's open. This shows that the market rejected the liquidity grab and is ready to reverse. Entry confirmation 2, the breaker. The second layer of confirmation is the breaker. A breaker is a former order block that failed, creating a zone that the market now uses as resistance or support. Once the market closes below the breaker low for a sell scenario, the second candle open gives you another entry opportunity. This added confirmation helps filter out weak signals and gives confidence to scale in or add to the position. Risk management and targets. Every trade must have a clearly defined stop loss. For this model, the stop is placed just above the high of the stop hunt or just above the inversion zone. Your target is set using a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. That means for every $1 of risk, you aim to make $2 of reward. This keeps your math in your favor, even if you win only half of your trades. Partial profits can be taken at key liquidity pools or opposite fair value gaps. Once partials are secured, move your stop to break even and let the rest run. Let's walk through a typical sequence. Price approaches a previous high during one of the AM macro windows. A sharp move runs the stops above the high, grabbing buy-side liquidity. Immediately after, a candle closes back below the inversion fair value gap low. You place a sell limit order on the next candle's open with a stop above the high. If the breaker also confirms, you can add or scale. Price delivers lower, reaching your 12 target and clearing sell side liquidity. This pattern repeats day after day, week after week. The key is patience, waiting for all elements to align: time, liquidity, and confirmation. Why this works long-term: the market is engineered. Smart money hunts liquidity to fill large orders at optimal prices. Retail traders provide that liquidity. By focusing on the stop hunt and confirmations during known time windows, you're trading with the algorithm instead of against it. This is why you don't need 10 setups. Master this one and it can literally serve you for life. That's the one setup for life. We covered the macro time windows, the stop hunt, the inversion and breaker confirmations, and how to manage risk with a 12 reward framework. Take your time to backtest this model, journal every trade. The more you repeat it, the more confidence you'll build, and the less temptation you'll feel to chase random moves. If you found this breakdown helpful, please subscribe to the channel. It truly means a lot to me, and together we're building the best trading family on YouTube. Drop a comment with your thoughts, share your backtest results, and I'll see you in the next video.